Hi everyone, I am Anisha Stevens Legister. Today I want to help you get started on Zyqual, the new appraisal management information system. It is recommended that you use a desktop computer or a laptop. It is also recommended that you use a dual-core 2 GHz or higher processor and a RAM with at least 4 GB. It is also recommended that you use a Chrome browser. It is also recommended that you have at least a basic computer knowledge and using general applications such as Microsoft Office and search engine. It is also recommended that you have an email address and a phone number. Okay, from your Chrome browser, you go to Zyqual.com. Then you go to log in, choose your country, Jamaica. To sign in, you will need to log in with your site account, and that is the email address that was sent to you. You will also need to enter the password that you got with your email address. Then click log in. If you're logging in for the first time, you'll have to check the box and accept the terms and condition. Click continue. We're now on the Zyqual system. So after logging in, you might want to change your profile or update your profile. So the arrow that is right beside your name, right, you're going to click that arrow, choose profile, and here you have the option to add your work email, right? So I can go ahead and add my work email. All right, I can also add my personal email. I can add my address. I can also enter my tax registration number. For now, I'll just use some zeros. Teaching level, high school. Qualification, bachelor's. Training in the last year, right? I've done some training, yes. Years of experience. And I am attached to region 3, that's already selected, right? QEC, department, faculty, right? I am the admin on this system, therefore I am not going to assign myself to any of the department or faculty because I am on as an admin, right? I am in cluster 27. Each school belongs to a region, right? And within that region you have QECs, right? And each QEC also have cluster, right? All right, so when I'm finished, I can click save personal information. All right, so what you can also do is to choose file and you can upload your picture here, right? So choose file, and then you can select a picture that you want to use on the system. Click open, right, and then click save. Okay, so if you look above my name, you can see where I have changed my picture. So I have a different picture there. All right, you can also click the same arrow that is beside your name to change your password, right? So click change password. It will ask you to enter your current password. That is the password that was sent to you. All right, so you'll enter your old password, enter the new password, then confirm new password, then click save, and that is how you change your password and update your personal information.